Go ahead, Kirtana, over to you.
Good evening, one and all, and very happy to be able to attend this house. And my name is Kirtana Ramarapu, and I do education through dance and movement. That is called Kinder Dance, and I work predominantly with schools, and I design exclusive dance and movement curriculums for children. One of the key takeaways, or I've been in this industry for more than 15 years, but with Kinder Dance it's about 12 years, and struggled for almost, I think, 8-9 years, trying to manage a team, taking the responsibility, micromanaging, trying to make sure, pan India, everything is working well. And so it was a huge challenge. So growth, most of the time when you do a lot of these things yourself as an entrepreneur, you tend to lose track of how you're going to grow and scale. And that was exactly, I think, the time when I got introduced to Balaji sir, and the LEC happened, and we were I was first overwhelmed, but as in how things moved forward, it gave a lot of, actually, I would say it was a lighthouse for Kinder Dance. And it showed us different paths. So me and the entire team also attended the workshop. They also understood what exactly Kinder Dance, which is, I think, one of the most important part, is more than the entrepreneur. The team also should understand what exactly is the leader of the company wants to achieve. And when you align all these things, it works very flawlessly. And so I'm going to tell two examples quickly. One is it's a very old example. I've told this many times, but I'll still repeat this. Is to say, I used to struggle by to do curriculums for schools and be ready for it, and always had this mindset to say I should be there and I should be leading, and the team has to see me in physically in the office to be getting the job done. But then as in how I started doing Leap, I realized how important for visual aids for even adults are important. Secondly is to communicate to them what exactly is required and by when. Usually what we'll do is in summer we work, and we'll work till Dasra's um, curriculum. And then by the time Dasra comes out, we are all kind of spread out, and then we don't have time to do the rest of the curriculum. And curriculum just kind of used to take over precedence, and we used to struggle. But here what happened is there was one simple step. What is the next simple thing? What is your next step? And then I realized what is the outcome I wanted. I never wanted people to be there at 9 o'clock, work till 6 o'clock and go. What I wanted is a clear way of doing things and do it at their time. They don't need to be in the office 9 to 6. They can still finish, take a day off, but come back and do the rest. So I just communicated this to them, and we put a lot of visuals. I said, this is the best way to, kind of move forward. And I said, I'm going to take off. I'm not going to be there. And that really helped. I wanted my team to achieve the goals by April 5th, but May 26th, I get the complete academic year's curriculum in my hand to say, we are done, including choreography, and which was, I think, a great achievement. That was one thing which I learned, to say that you physically being there does not help. It is how the team, how the communication goes to the team. And quick thing is IIMB, I did a 3-month course, and that continued even after 3 years. I was not there for my team, but the entire online classes was done smooth, and the transitions were done by the team, by themselves, everything. All I did is after 3 months showed my face, and they said, ma'am, everything is going well. You can take care of what other things you need to do. So I think it's a testimony that it didn't work just once. It's been working for 3 years now. So I think, Balaji, thank you very much. And we look forward to having it when we have a bigger team as well.
Wow, thanks. Thanks, Kirtana.